Aloha Big Deal Detailing Ohana, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are working on this Honda CR-V behind me, and because we'll be doing a full detail on this vehicle, we're going to break this video up into two parts. In today's video, we will be focusing on the interior, and over the course of these videos, we'll be answering the question, is auto detailing a service that is worth it? Alright, let's get started. This client wanted to have us come out to detail her husband's vehicle. Her initial inquiry stated that the interior does get vacuumed regularly, however, surfaces and seats have become discolored, covered in sunscreen, sand, baby snacks, etc. A few things we can tell from her initial inquiry: that they have kids, the vehicle is used on a daily basis, and the vehicle is not only used for work and trips to the grocery store, but they also probably take their vehicle out to the beach, park, etc., meaning this vehicle is regularly parked in the sun. To quickly answer the initial question of this video, is auto detailing a worth it service? It truly depends on the vehicle and its situation. Specifically for this vehicle, yes, detailing is definitely worth it. Now let's hop into the detail. Today we are performing our Platinum Interior Detail Package. This package includes a full interior disinfection of all of the hard surfaces, along with a shampoo and hot water extraction of all of the carpets and upholstery. We have the crew here starting on the first steps of any interior detail, which is the vacuum. For this detail, we will be removing the seats from the vehicle as it allows us more space to work and it provides us greater access to those hard to reach areas, such as the area in between the front seats and the mid-console. As detailers, we are not only here to clean your vehicle, but also to focus on the details, literally in the name, meaning that our goal is always to touch every surface and make sure that we get the vehicle as close as we can back to the original condition. Detailing is not by any means the same as a traditional car cleaning where you go to the gas station or car wash, they do a quick vacuum, and you're done. Detailing your vehicle takes a large amount of time, and for someone like this client who probably has a busy schedule, detailing their vehicle is a time-consuming process that they probably don't have the time for. So reason number one why detailing might be a worth it service for you and your vehicle: it saves you time from having to do the work yourself. While another one of our detailers works on the shampoo and extraction of the carpets and upholstery. Reason number two why detailing is a worth it service: you may not have the equipment or have the money to purchase the equipment that is only meant for maybe a one-time use. Reason number three, it might just be cheaper to hire out professionals to come and do the work instead of doing it yourself. We purchase our chemicals and equipment from shops that both pro detailers and also DIY or enthusiast detailers can shop from. However, because larger details such as this one are not typical for the normal individual, purchasing a hot water extractor like the one we are featuring here, which is a $1,500 piece of equipment, and probably about $100 worth of chemicals, might not be a practical expense. And while you can possibly rent this equipment, there's a bit of a learning curve, and it may be more worth the money and time just to have a professional come in to do the job for you. For our fabric cleaner, we use a mixture of Chemical Guys fabric cleaner and their all clean solution. We dilute 1 part of each with 2 parts of water, spray this mixture on the fabric, scrub the surface, and then use the Mighty Light 8040 hot water extractor to remove the cleaning solution and the dirt that we have just agitated from the fabrics. All of these things will be linked down below in the description. This tool is cool because the water sprays into the fabric, the pressure is lifting the dirt, and the suction from the vacuum is pulling it away from the fibers, revealing nice, clean fabrics. The disinfection process is a relatively straightforward process for us. We use a 50-50 mixture of disinfectant and water. We dilute that, and then we go ahead and work on all the hard plastic surfaces of the vehicle, including the door panels, mid-console, dashboard, trunk, panel areas, etc. Final steps of this detail are to apply the UV protectants to the interior surfaces and to do all of the glass cleaning. Here at Big Deal Detailing, we not only pride ourselves on our vehicle cleaning services, but also our intent to protect your vehicle long term. A vehicle is an investment, and we pride ourselves in wanting to protect that. Reason number 4 of why detailing is a worth it service. Detailing is not only meant to clean your vehicle, but increase the lifespan of its look over time. The purpose of UV protectants are to prevent discoloration and fading of the plastic surfaces in the vehicle. This fading can be very prominent on the dashboard, door panels, and any surfaces that are in direct sunlight. Right? It looks better. We have tested a few different polymer UV protectant finish products, such as Chemical Guys VRP, Rocky Mountain Sun Shield, and these specific protectants are for your interior plastic surfaces. However, leather is another material that tends to fade and become dry and can crack over time as well. Leather treatments, which we are not performing on this vehicle, such as conditioners and UV protectants, are also available and another surface detailers offer. Finally, we take some time to clean up the interior glass and electronic screens, and we're done. And that's the detail. As you can see, the sandy, sunscreen-covered Keikimobile is now ready for all new adventures. Bonus reason number 5 of why detailing is a worth it service: it can help to increase the value of your vehicle. Maintenance and upkeep of your vehicle will keep the value of the vehicle as high as possible in the event that you're looking to resell or trade in your vehicle. So this is always a pro tip to keep in mind. Post detail just to say thanks for joining us for another detailing video. We are so happy and excited to see our little Hawaii detailing community growing and thriving here on YouTube, and we hope you join us for part 2 next week, where you can see the exterior transformation of this vehicle. Please let us know in the comments down below where you folks are watching us from, and if you like more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe, give a thumbs up to the video, and leave us comments down below about why you think detailing is a worth it service. And make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss another video from us. But until next time, aloha!